Alright, let's go.
Hi! So in today's video, I am doing another wig review for you guys. This is another wig from Vivica.com. This is one of the other ones that they sent me. And let me go ahead and get right into the details. So this wig is from Vivica A. Fox. This is hair collection. It says it's natural baby hair, Swiss lace front wig, invisible lace part wig. It's hand tied to Swiss lace, silky soft Swiss lace. It says it's silky soft, undetectable, and resilient. Style is called Roots, and the color is the color that I got is FS 430/30. Yeah, and then the picture model has on a 1B. And then they have the other colors that the wig comes in. It comes in pretty natural colors. It doesn't come in any, crazy rainbow colors or anything. 1B, 2, 4, FS 1B 30, and FS 4 30. And then, the synthetic hair care instructions are on the back. But yeah, I like the card. I think the card is really cute. Let's see, let's start with the lace. The lace color was like a light tan. It matches my skin pretty well. So yeah, this is their hairline right here. If I was to add my powder onto it, I don't think it'd be as bad, but it does go behind my hairline a little bit, which I have an eddy, so or a widow's peak, if that's what you call it. So my hairline kind of comes out of it a little bit. The combs on it, I never really, I don't like when wigs do this. So it has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. But the combs in the front are on either side of the part that's on this side of my head, which is the right side. So the part is like right here. And there's combs on either side of it. Now that would be fine if they also added a comb. Sorry, I gotta get back to it. If they also added a comb onto this side, and then that's 1 in the back. I don't like when wigs do that, because I feel like, yes, secure here, but over here it's just like you could just lift it up. I have a bobby pin on it right now, which it isn't really a big deal because you can just put a bobby pin on it, but I know some people don't really like dealing with that all the time. Other than that though, like that's it's preference for that. All right, so yeah, let's get into the style of this wig. I really like the style of this wig. I think this could be a good everyday wig for people who like really natural looking wigs and hairstyles, and I feel like I wish I would have got it in the 1B/30 rather than the 4/30, but I kind of wanted to try something different and get like a brownish type of wig rather than my off black or black. But I did know that I wanted some highlights in it just because I wanted to see how it looked with the highlights. But that's just another thing. That's just preference. If you do like brown hair, then this would definitely be for you. I like brown hair sometimes. I don't like it all the time. It's decent though. It doesn't look bad or anything. I just feel like I can't go with the look that I have going on today. Like today's New Year's Eve, which is why I'm dressed like this. I just came from work. And I feel like I can't really do the whole glamorous look with the brown hair with this type of hairstyle. I feel like if it was like darker, then I'd be fine. But that's just me criticizing my look right now. There's that. But let me tell you what this wig reminds me of. Reminds me of Leon Pennick from Little Mix. That's a girl group. Anyway, yeah, that's what this hair reminds me of. Well, not like her hair now, but it reminds me of her hair back in like 2013. I put up some pictures and I'll show y'all as I'm speaking. I really like that. It looks very natural. Like it looks like this could be someone's actual hair because it's kind of like yucky and like nappy looking. It doesn't look too put together. You'll see in like the styling part when I was finger combing the hair out how it looked before the curls. And if you would prefer to not have the frizziness be as intense as it is, then of course you don't have to finger curl it. You could just like take it and take the curls and part them yourselves individually like that. I think you could do that also. I feel like I should have did that now that I'm talking about it. I should have done that before finger combing it. I just knew that I just immediately wanted to finger comb it. But at the same time, I didn't really know that it was gonna get this frizzy. So yeah, I really like the style of the wig. It's definitely very natural looking, and this could pass for someone's real hair. Also I did this just because I wanted to see how it looked, because usually when I do curly afros I like to kind of have a little bit of a bang like that, which it looks decent, but I would have to cut it because it is a little too close to my eyes, which is why I'm just gonna keep it right here right now. So yeah, this is a pretty decent wig. It almost reminds me of my natural hair, like when I first wash it and then I comb it out, except the curls are looser. My curls are a lot tighter than this. But I mean, you know, it's still cute. It still looks good. It's like, you know, a like it. I think it's adorable. Yeah, and the texture of the hair, it like feels, like I said, just like really natural. It kind of feels like dry hair. Like it does feel a little dry in some areas. So if you want, you could put oil in it, just to, you know, shine it up a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to. I probably not, honestly. So yeah, let's get into the details, or the, you know, technical stuff is what I like to call it. Tangling, it's curly hair. I've said this before in almost any curly hair review that I am doing. It is curly hair. It is not tangle free. No one should expect like curly hair to be tangle free. If you get some curly hair that's tangle free, I mean, you know, cool. That's fine. But curly hair is not meant to be tangle free. Sometimes it's like extra tangly, like more tangly than it needs to be, then it's a problem. But this is curly hair. You know, I was running my fingers through it when I first got, you know, when it was first like curly. And you know, it went through perfectly fine. It had, you know, a few little snags here and there, but it was nothing like I feel like I need to mention, or, you know, nothing that's I feel like, okay, y'all need to know this. No, you know, tangling is fine. Shedding, I actually haven't gotten any shedding. I would have expected some shedding when I first cut the lace off, and just like finger combing it, I think I would have expected some shedding just because of how the hair feels. It is, like I said, kind of a like yucky, kinky feeling texture. I would have expected some, but I actually didn't get any. You know, it's pretty good, I don't think. Let me make sure I'm not lying to y'all. Yeah, I got little small strands that look like baby hairs that I probably cut off when I was cutting the lace. So yeah, I mean, you know, it wasn't any like long strands or anything. So yeah, I mean, you know, it looks good. It looks good. No shit. So far. The luster is like very dull looking. Like I said, there's no shine to this wig whatsoever. Very natural looking. Just like very natural looking. Anything else? I don't know. I think that's pretty much it. I like this wig. I think it's really cute. It's not really something that I would have, like now that I've styled it a little bit, it's probably not something that I would wear super often, or it's okay. It's something that I feel like could be a good everyday wig, but I don't think it's something that I would wear if I felt like being glamorous and like extra. I feel like this is one of those looks that you do like simple makeup with, kind of like what I got on now minus the lip. Just, you know, simple makeup, you know, a little highlighter. I probably would wear some lashes though. I've been really lazy with lashes lately, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, you know, probably not this shirt or this bodysuit, which is from Windsor, but you know, it's probably all sold out, I'm not gonna lie. This came in like October or something, so it's old. October, November. I'll link it down below though if it's not. I think it's it, you know what I'm saying? I think it's it. I think we good. I ain't got nothing else to tell y'all. If y'all got any questions, make sure y'all comment down below. The style's A1, you know what I'm saying? The texture is lovely. Make sure y'all check out Diva Tress. The link will be in the description. Everything y'all need to know will be in the description. The link to the wig will be in the description if you're interested. And that is all. I will see you guys next time. Bye.